A new phenomenon called insect technology is picking up speed. It uses the natural functions of insects to make farming more efficient. A pig farm near Tokyo has started using insect technology to process animal waste. Now, a reporter found out that not only does it benefit the farmer, but it also helps other industries, and it's good for the environment. Masami Ukon of NHK World has more.
Many people enjoy pork from pigs like this. But farmers find it a challenge to deal with the large volume of waste the pig generates. Toshiyuki Namiki raises 1,000 pigs on his farm in Samu City, Chiba Prefecture. In one day, his pigs produce up to 3 tons of waste. He got rid of it through composting, but the process takes up to 4 months. So the buildup of waste created a huge smell, and there was also the potential impact on the environment to consider.
If my neighbors had complained, I would have had to relocate the farm to a less populated mountain area. So I had to be very careful.
One key to solving this issue is an insect that we consider a pest, the housefly. This firm exploits the fly's natural instinct to lay eggs on decaying matter. The hatch fly larvae process the manure organically. The fly species is Musca domestica, a housefly which produces lots of larvae that have a big appetite. The company produces the fly eggs and provides them to the farm. Decomposing waste with larvae is quicker and easier than composting. Namiki is the first farmer to try it out. With the flies, it only takes a week to process the manure instead of 4 months. Now his farm can deal with much more waste. The process is very simple. First, put the fly eggs on the pig manure. The larvae eat it. Enzymes in the saliva break down the waste into fertilizer. The method is 20 times faster than doing it with earthworms. Next, the larvae leave for a dry area to grow into an adult. There's no need to separate the larvae from the fertilizer. Another benefit of this system is its eco-friendliness. This method produces almost no greenhouse gases like nitrous oxide and methane. The farm profits by selling the manure. It fetches prices more than 20 times higher than conventional fertilizer.
Many pig farmers are in a bind because the price of animal feed is rising and pork prices are falling. This system eases some of the pressure from a business standpoint, so I think it will open up certain opportunities.
The manure produced by houseflies also helps raise healthy crops. Kanichi Saito has been farming organically for 20 years. Saito values soils that are easy on the environment. He appreciates the chitosan contained in the larvae. The substance is environmentally friendly and antibacterial.
Because you can suppress fungal infections, the skin of the carrot is very healthy and clean.
Without chemicals, plants grow well and are healthier.
By using this fertilizer for 10 to 20 years, you can expect healthy, disease-free soil.
Another benefit, the system produces food for other animals. The larvae that have served their purpose are dehydrated and are fed to animals. Here at Tokyo University of Marine Science and Technology, an experiment involving fish is underway. Rich in protein and nutrients, larvae are an ideal food source for rainbow trout. Researchers put powdered larvae into the feed to learn how much can replace conventional feed and still guarantee growth. Much conventional fish food is made from other fish. As the fish population declines, researchers hope that fly larvae provide a much-needed replacement. Researchers also think the antibacterial nature of the larvae proteins may boost the fish's immune systems.
The diet containing maggot meal showed a good palatability for rainbow trout. If immune response is enhanced by the maggot meal, we don't need to use antibacterial stuff, so we can save such a kind of medicine and we can produce organic aquaculture fish.
Including houseflies, there are 1 million insect species on the earth. The possibilities of insect technology hold unlimited potential beyond our imagination. Masami Ukon, NHK World.
So far, only one farm has adopted this system. It costs more than $100,000 to set up, so the challenge is to bring down the cost. Experts say it is also important to make people think of flies more positively and to foster an environment in which farmers can easily implement the system.